Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be reading Polar Bears by Mark Newman. Here's our first picture, polar bears. Polar bears are big. The polar bear is the biggest bear in the world. They're even bigger than the Kodiak bear. A giant male polar bear can weigh 1,700 pounds. That's about as heavy as a small car. Females usually weigh less than the males. One polar bear was said to weigh 2,200 pounds. That's more than a ton of bears. Polar bears are tiny. Polar bears weigh only 1 pound at birth. They will grow to 30 times their birth weight by the time they leave the den. A mother bear is not able to eat while she nurses her babies from January to April. By then, mother bears are very hungry. Polar bears are twins. Most polar bear mothers give birth to twins. Although polar bears usually do not hibernate, expectant mother polar bears do. Mating occurs in mid-spring, and females dig a den into a snowdrift in the fall. Babies are born inside the den in early January. The den is cozy, staying 40 degrees warmer than the frigid Arctic air outside. Polar bears struggle. Baby polar bears will stay with their mother for over 2 years as she teaches them all of the skills they will need to make it into adulthood. But being a baby bear is not easy. 3 out of 4 do not survive to see their 3rd birthday. Polar bears live in the Arctic. Polar bears live only in the north. Unlike penguins, they do not live in the Antarctic. Penguins and polar bears never get to meet in the wild. Polar bears live in only 5 countries, all of which surround the North Pole. Russia, Canada, the United States, Alaska is part of the United States, Norway, and Greenland. I actually lived in Alaska for a year. And yes, I saw a polar bear from a distance, a safe distance. Polar bears are not really white. Despite what they look like and what most people think, polar bears are black, not white. Under all that warm, thick fur, their skin is totally dark. The fur itself is made up of clear, hollow hairs, sort of like hollow tubes, that contain no color whatsoever. The bears look like they are white only because their clear hair reflects the light. Interesting.